flower show held at Fateh Sagar Paal of Udaipur. So we begin this with the beautiful flower light, and here we have ornamental kale and these beautiful celosia, and this is ranunculus. Then we have poinsettias here, pretty red vibrant color. Next these are zinnia. We have lilies too. Next we have pansy and sweet alyssum. Now this is purple shade available along with the white one. See the beautiful peacock and an elephant. A very good arrangement, giving it a picturesque view. I just love how the plants are arranged with animals here. Har Har Mahadev, we have Shivlingam created with plants. And here we have Petunia. Oh, chests available along with flowers. That is cool. And again we have some calendulas here. Bright orange, ornamental kale. Hey Dan uncle. To end, thank you for watching from a disco elephant.